Hello guys, today in this video I will do a comparison of OnePlus Nord 2 versus Oppo Reno 6 Pro. So let's start the video. I start with dimension. Height. OnePlus Nord 2 come with 158.3 mm height and Reno 6 Pro come with 160 mm height. Width. OnePlus Nord 2 come with 73.3 mm width and Reno 6 Pro come with 73.1 mm width. Thickness. Note 2 come with 8.2 mm thickness and Reno 6 Pro come with 7.6 mm thickness. Weight. Note 2 has 190 gram weights and Reno 6 Pro has 177 gram weight. Display. OnePlus Nord 2 come with 6.44 inches display and Reno 6 Pro come with 6.55 inches display. Resolution. Note 2 and Reno 6 Pro both the phone come with 1080p into 2400 resolution. Aspect ratio. Note 2 and Reno 6 Pro both the phone have 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Note 2 have 409 ppi and Reno 6 Pro have 402 ppi pixel density. Display type. OnePlus Nord 2 come with Fluid AMOLED and Reno 6 Pro come with AMOLED display. Protection. Note 2 come with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and Reno 6 Pro also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. A screen to body ratio. OnePlus Nord 2 come with 87.8% screen to body ratio and Reno 6 Pro come with 88.6% screen to body ratio. Camera. OnePlus Nord 2 come with triple camera slot and its primary camera come with 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.4, micro camera 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 and LED flash HDR. Oppo Reno 6 Pro camera. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera comes with 64 megapixel aperture 2.0, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.0, micro camera 2 megapixel and depth camera 2 megapixel. Both the phone camera video recording features. Note 2 come with 4K at 30 fps and Reno 6 Pro come with 4K at 30 fps. Let's discuss both the phone camera selfie. Note 2 come with 32 megapixel aperture 2.4 and Reno 6 Pro also come with 32 megapixel aperture 2.2. Let's discuss both the phone hardware. OnePlus Nord 2 come with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 and Reno 6 Pro also come with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. Note 2 come with octa-core Cortex A77 and Cortex A55 and Reno 6 Pro come with also Cortex A77 A55. Hardware GPU. Both the phone come with Mali G77 EMC9 GPU. RAM. OnePlus Nord 2 come with 8GB 12GB RAM variant and Reno 6 Pro come with 8GB 12GB RAM variant. Internal storage. Both the phone have 128 or 256GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. Note 2 and Reno 6 Pro both the phone doesn't support any card slot. Battery. Note 2 come with 4500 mAh battery and Reno 6 Pro also come with 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. Note 2 come with only 30 watt fast charging and Reno 6 Pro come with 65 watt fast charging. Operating system. OnePlus Nord 2 come with Android 11 Oxygen OS 11.1 and Reno 6 Pro come with Android 11 Color OS 11.3. Let's discuss both the phone connectivity. OnePlus Nord 2 come with under display fingerprint. It supports 5G network. It doesn't support any NFC, Wi-Fi, loudspeaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 2.1 or only 90 Hz refresh rate. Oppo Reno 6 Pro has under display fingerprint. It supports 5G network. It also supports NFC, 90 Hz refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 2.1 or Wi-Fi. Let's discuss both the phone. Price. OnePlus Nord 2 come with around $32,000 of $429 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Oppo Reno 6 Pro come with around $40,000 of $536 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like our video then please subscribe to our channel.